Trade relations between Nairobi and Dar es Salaam have been frosty in the last 5 years, with Kenya accusing Tanzania of stoking trade disputes by imposing high tariffs on Kenyan goods. This has forced leaders from the two nations to meet in Nairobi in a bid to deal with the stalemate.
We've had a lot of engagements bilaterally and also through EAC, and we've resolved a lot of issues that have been pending for a while. Today, our textiles are able to access the Tanzanian market without a problem, and so even our lubricants, which for a long time were not accessing the market.
East African Affairs Principal Secretary Susan Koech says Tanzania has agreed to allow Kenyan textiles and lubricants to access a market duty-free. The Kenya Association of Manufacturers and the Kenya Private Sector Alliance had raised concern after Tanzania imposed a 25% duty on the two products in a bid to protect her industries.
Trading with Africa almost as much as it's been trading with the rest of the world, where our average exports as percent of total exports has been ranging between 40 to 45% going to Africa. And a lot of what has been sold to Africa or being exported to African market are manufactured products.
The PS has also said the two nations have established a joint working committee to look into all trade disputes between the two nations. East Africa heads of state are expected to meet next week in Arusha, and recurring trade rows within the region are expected to be discussed. Kenya will host the annual regional SMEs Fair in Eldoret, where business people from the 5 East African nations will showcase their crafts.